If you are looking for a change of scene as you head towards retirement, then look no further than Surrey Hills Park, located in an area of natural beauty with rolling hills, valleys and ancient woodlands. This park offers a peaceful environment for its residents, and the homes are laid out neatly, with many having their own gardens and parking bays. Surrey Hills Park was voted one of the best parks in the southeast of England for quality, location and the overall look of the park by an independent survey. There is a good community spirit, and it has the added benefit of a live-on park manager for that extra peace of mind. The local village shops cater for all your daily needs, whilst for larger shopping requirements and leisure activities, the main towns of Guildford, Camberley, Aldershot and Farnham are all a short distance away. Wyldecrest Parks are proud to be one of the UK's leaders in residential parks for the over 50s, semi-retired and fully retired. Why not give us a call to see how we can help you begin your new life alongside like-minded neighbours in fantastic surroundings? We can offer exclusive part exchange deals and guaranteed finance subject to conditions. With park homes from just £69,995, there has never been a better time to take your first step towards your dream retirement.